You ugly.
Yeah. What is this? A dick? Oh.
What? We in
That's why every
Walmart.
time I get a basket, it's always fucked up.
Oh, snap.
Hey.
Childish.
Oh,
Snap is taking a picture of me. You ugly.
Yeah. What is this? A dick? Oh.
What? Clearly a hat.
What's that? A hat.
So we in Walmart. We getting stuff. We're gonna cook tonight.
Dinner.
Tonight, it's Friendsmas.
Beginning of Friendsmas.
The beginning, yeah. Right now.
Why do you mean another baby?
This bitch goofy as hell.
There.
Yeah.
There you go. You can eat dark chocolate. This whole thing.
Ew.
I think you don't like that shit.
Ugh. So she gotta buy it and eat it?
So you gotta eat it now.
Ooh.
I feel like I'm like opening like a Willy Wonka like golden ticket.
So she dare her to eat this chocolate bar.
She hates dark chocolate.
She hates dark chocolate. Hates it.
Purple is hard.
Ugh. The whole thing. The whole thing.
Oh, you gotta eat that shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you gotta.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
Ew. This is nasty.
The whole thing.
I just say the more you eat it, the better it tastes. It's like, no, get used to it.
Makes sense.
I'm trying to cheat you. I'm throwing it nowhere either.
She threw that shit away. Huh?
Sideways.
We in Wally World, y'all. Canned foods. So, yeah. So, we trying to buy food to eat tonight. Tonight we're making baked chicken, regular, corn, and mashed potatoes for dinner tonight. Shay's still eating this.
Sweet around here because they shit sweet about us.
We out here. I don't know if it's getting this.
I feel it. I feel like I want to be sick. Like,
Keep finishing it.
it's so nasty.
I don't smell sweet corn.
Well, whatever. Just get ready for it.
Unless I'm not looking right.
Nasty.
Come on. It's so big.
We in here. We came for a couple things, and you know, we ended up getting mad shit.
Yo, usually I don't like Walmart fruit, but these strawberries actually look decent now.
For once.
Interesting. I
So
want a
yeah,
bigger tub, though.
we still shopping. That's the update.
Look, we can go to Publix.
Bougie
But not right
bitches.
now. You right?
I'm bougie ass. So yeah, I think we actually ought to go check out now. So we're finally done.
So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye.
Now we gonna mix some shit. Y'all don't know what shit yet. Oh shit, truth or dare.
It's always me.
Vanilla got the camera right now. That's the only reason. I dare you to jump in the freezer. Stay in there for 10 seconds.
You're trying to get me kicked out, and I'm not.
I'm not. Yanni, we dare you to jump in the freezer. Stay in there for 10 seconds.
The other side got more space.
She getting in Walmart's freezer, y'all. This bitch in the freezer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Y'all little Walmart walking worker just walk by. Yeah, get out.
She just walked by. She didn't even say nothing. It's like, no, Walmart ain't shit. So, y'all, Friendsmas night. About to start cooking. Yanni about to cook first. She about to make chicken and noodles. And she making blueberries. That blueberry box ain't even have to do all that extra. So yeah, we gonna take y'all through the process.
Wash your hands.
That's the first step. We know some of y'all motherfuckers is nasty.
Wash your hands.
And we got some chicken already pre-seasoned.
Yes, ma'am.
You already know. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at it. Look.
Rinse your pots.
Look at you. Dropping shit.
I'm sorry, roommate. Rinse your pots. Dry your pots.
Hell nah.
Put the pot. I'm just kidding.
So y'all stay tuned. And we'll get back to the video. All right, my girl seasoned up the water. Okay.
You a bitch.
Shane.
Touched it.
Huh?
Touch it.
Touch it? That shit hot, bitch. You bitch is always trying to fuck you up. Guys, know who your real friends are.
No, you niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at. Why you looking at me like that?
Just got some new products in, guys.
Let me put it on.
Go over there and do it.
This is funny.
I'm about to get you in your dick. My girl making blueberry muffins now.
Yeah.
Betty Crocker blueberry muffin. I don't think she really knows what she's doing. Disclaimer, but whatever. Yeah, read the box.
You a hoe. You a bitch.
Lily over here putting in work.
I'm tired of these anti-sober.
Bless you. My girl got her muffins together. They look a little too blue if you ask me, but go ahead, put them in the oven.
How you want to know why they look blue?
Why? Oh my God, what did you do? Let's read the box.
Gently stirring blueberries.
Wow.
Not power stir the blueberries. You gotta have some blue muffins today.
Yeah.
What a fucking guess.
How long are you supposed to be in?
You put them in here?
15 to 20
Right here.
minutes.
I think you put them up here.
Whatever. As long as they bake, I don't care.
I think you gonna burn, Shay.
But they will burn faster at the bottom.
Right here?
Because like it's closer to the bottom thing. I think. I don't know.
Put a little burners up there too. I feel like it's a happy medium if it's a
No,
medium.
okay, whatever. I don't care.
What is shit? Woo! Was gonna drop my berries though.
Set your timer. Oh, whoa, you hit clock. It says 15 to 20. So that's like 17. Yep. Just leave it. No. Yeah, there you go. Things are starting to come together, guys. Corn.
Hold on, I gotta stir
chicken
that.
and noodles.
Shouty, hold on.
Hey.
Hold on, Shouty. I think I need more water. Don't record that part.
So, Yanni's blueberry muffins.
That one is dysfunctional.
They all look nice. Take them out.
Blue.
Butte. It's just a random open one.
Ah, yeah.
They ain't got the food, got a little cone.
Hey, don't show that yet. Hey.
She annoying.
Hey.
You made me burn myself.
Get out the kitchen. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Shade.
Get out.
Shade.
I'll burn you in with this pan, girl.
And then chicken noodles. Yum yum. Friendsmas. I think I said that loud. Like, hey, shade with the sauce. Hey, nasty, disgusting.
I feel like a goddamn housewife.
Close enough. Hey, do it to him.
Recycle.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Hey.
Take it out and put it in there then.
Put your ass.
It has eggs in it. That's why I put it in there too.
Hey, there you do it. Hey, whoa, do it, hey. I ain't about to play with y'all. I'm not. So now we're about to eat and exchange gifts. Then we can link. Whoa, y'all see that they messing it up? Take me.
Fuck it up, Nilly.
Hey.
Fuck it up, Nilly. Oh shit, she about to fuck it up. She about to fuck it up. Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh. One more.
Hold on.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. We about to eat. Bye, guys.
So Yanni made a whole plate, y'all. Y'all see that with the muffin on the side and all?
Oh crap! You hold for it.
No. So I got the cola champagne on deck.
Is this ours?
Wow. What you say?
This is ours.
That is ours. Hold on about that.
Hell, looks like something wrong.
The candle drop. Yep, not gonna wash it. But yeah, we about to get Friendsmas started.
About to get chocolate wasted.
I wish.
You know what I thought about?
What?
That chocolate shake put in that damn aisle. Guys, we're about to eat now. They about to tell me how my food tastes. Be honest.
Oh, we didn't pray. Go ahead, say the prayer, Shay.
Heavenly Father, thank you so that we're about to see. I pray for nourishment that harm our bodies. It's not for amen.
Amen. It smells like shit.
I like them.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
I like them.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all already know. D Davis with the pot.
I like them.
Bet. Don't just be saying that because y'all my friend either.
It was nasty, I wouldn't eat it.
Bet. Friendsmas. Y'all tune in. Yeah.